Now let's listen to this video and we come back to studio. Yeah, let's listen.
Party and government must regroup at a certain level and say that, okay, let's assess where we have come from. Our party people are complaining. What can we do to help? Mustafa den ebetimi, General Secretary den ebetimi, National Organizer den ebetimi. Because you see, you can't be experienced than the ones who are managing the grounds. You can't. And if they want, we can leave it for them to try and let's see. You can't. What the party people go through, you can't.
It's not easy.
If you go to somebody's constituency and you think he is a village constituency chairman, so you use your Land Cruiser to disrespect him, you don't know what he deals with. So we need to come to a point where we respect ourselves, we show each other recognition, and then we come together again to say, let us help President Mahama to succeed. Look, Captain, I've said every time, for those who think, say, oh, maybe President Mahama will not contest again. Me, I'm one ardent person who believes that President Mahama should give us the opportunity and make himself available to run again as president. I'm one person who believes that. And I don't apologize to anybody for that. That's my opinion. Because you see, our party is at a place where we need a synergy. We need a united front. We are not going for an election. We are continuing a government. And when you get to that place, the indices are very different. If anybody tells you that my personal ambition, I'm a champion in this area, I can become a successor, you can't. You can't. NDC is not SRC election. It's a serious business. If President Mahama is not going to go, if you are an appointee, you must know that it is a duty of President Mahama to keep the government and the party both peaceful. When the government is peaceful and the party is not peaceful, it will upset itself. We'll come to ground zero. And Captain, those who are listening to me, if you think I'm wrong, you can have that conversation with me. I have gone round our big men, senior, and I'm not getting a good response. And I watched the president walk out there, and I sit down and I ask myself, what is going on?
Who's on call for my president?
I know. I'm going to say it. Now I'm saying it now.
Ladies and gentlemen,
the president is suffering.
If the fundamental...
No, but I don't a party for no. Appointees say, hey, Mama, president.
He had to take the general secretary sometimes to take the approach of summoning ministers to FEC before they come. Some ministers don't attend party meeting at all. Hey. Now they have arrived. Oh, Madam Kachero, I'm Miss Roby. There's nobody that I'm
ministers, no. From for party meetings.
Look, recently I had to call one minister to ask him, you sent so and so to the party. He said yes. I said, did you inform the general secretary? I asked him, did you inform the general secretary? Are you the manager of the party? Are you the one managing the party?
Hey,
you don't manage the party. The party has executives who manage the party. If you don't respect them, you create crisis. Because when you touch me, I will touch you. I will not assume that you have touched me and misbehaved with me, so I'm going to be sitting down and crying. I will deal with you squarely. If you want it raw, we can go raw. The only thing you can do is that there are opportunities in your area you won't give me, take. Because I know where to get you. We move around with other people to win this election. And so you cannot disadvantage the party, deliberately impoverish the party because you have found new friends. No, you can't do that. President is suffering. President effort to know is not being seen. I don't know how he feels certain times when certain reports gets to him. But it's wrong. And we must talk about it. Because if we don't deal with it, we are in trouble.
It's a shame.
And that is not what we agreed within ourselves.
But now we say President Mahama Kobi, at least I have the same opinion. But the party for me be president deal.
But that is the problem.
Hey.
President Mahama got you so.
It's a shit.
See a war in a na nkrofo start so mo person mo di next. I mean, it's excuse my language, the highest form of disorder.
A highest form of disorder.
And me, I will not support anybody because myself and my brother, the national organizer, we've decided that who win the primaries, who will make you the president. We don't care. Whoever wins the primaries.
It is important that you understand what is happening in the party. Sa party is disorganized. We have always been saying and saying and saying and saying again, say, the party called NDC is a machinery well organized in propagating for power. When it comes to governance, or they have no clue about it. Just 1.5 years, 1.5 years, to me, a fro one. 1.5 years, to me, no, I'm NDC for. NDC informing what to do. They are confused. And what they are thinking, they say, going after the MPP supporters would destabilize the MPP so that they can win. But so people are suffering. The people who went around to campaign for the NDC, they are now crying. They have no food to eat. Some have no job. I quite remember, say, when we were in the campaign period, what the NDC used to say, and they say, people cannot have 3 square meals a day to eat. And then maybe NDC for say, only their support base. And Crofona almost sacrifice or more. A year Jumaden de ma party man bar power no. Are they having that 3 square meals to a day in their life? No, they are not having it. Why? Because John Darigat Ramani Mahama is busy sharing money and power with few people and donating national properties to his brother. That is his main thing that he's doing. Temiepa, menkese Ghana for you know. Just the microphone muye Jumadema NDC no. That 3 square meal that they were talking about, you know, these guys are not having it. And it's a problem. It's a serious problem in the party because the grassroots of the NDC are crying. And the amount for NDC for they are pretending not to be NDC members anymore. Now you see NDC for dream. There are no people that the ministers are not in line with the party and they don't care about the ordinary woman and the men, the youth. And the microphone, ya to mo gum, and this ye kuafu esu, and this nurses yesu, and this teachers yesu. The ordinary Ghanaian ye de to ni team says ote komo a MPP abana ma komo de no, and ne komo no emu ekosoro kese. Because once Akufo-Addo was telling the youth and the people in the country, say, "Mumpe adiensuya, mumpe nsano juma binsuya, munko school na munyenim diana mumeye owners and bosses of your own." No, those fools, these guys were out there telling Ghanaians to say, "There be the president Papa Ba, you have to find a job and live a better life." Me abadima, Richard, me mama Esther Badima, and Nana Akuya Afro. Maybe some say ne ekosi say. What has happened? Has it changed? The unemployment percentage my no. Akosro na sa akofo. Can't you say akosro? Akosro ye yi nipa bebre adi. Ye yi nipa bebre adi. Na unim there ya. Whilst these things are going on, no works. People are not finding job to do. No, the government of the NDC keeps on borrowing a lot of money. Where and watch this, you see, Oh, the asempa na bo. 24-hour economy. Mahama is the hope. He is the hope. He is the hope for Mother African. Bahama OJM is the hope. He is the hope. He is the hope for everyone now. And then Mahama Dani Amana. Look, listen to what this guy is saying. Akwa was a president Teddy. Government borrows 120 million from Treasury bill in the first 4 months of 2026. Yedasumu. Yedasumu. Me say yedasumu. These guys are borrowing as if there is no tomorrow. The problems in the society is becoming more and more. They are sharing among the top hierarchy of their party. And then at 120 billion Ghana cedis just in 4 months. Afei and I shall say 2026. That be America. Me see before 2028 and Senedi Akunyano Ebeshe Yewura Dr. Lahaj Muhammad Bawumi Ansano. Na enkrofo ya say your mind biem. Omuko ntokwa ekoso wo party no. You just listen to this. Listen to this.
Party and government must regroup at a certain level and say, okay, let's assess where we have come from. Our party people are complaining. What can we do to help? Mustafa Dendi Ebetimi, General Secretary. Again, is the party up for election? Who told all these things that NDC is going to go through election?
Me say, one of the biggest decisions that the MPP has made since its existence, and the decision to have the presidential election area. The nearby muyaye presidential election awie, ntokwa ebesiasia awie, ene ya sha ase ayetoto ye niema, we are building back. Enkrofo we afe na jana tom. Jano afe na tom. They are dying with their own hands. Listen to this stupid guy, what he said. He said, who told these things that the NDC is going for a competitive, what they call presidential, what they call candidates, candidature elections? You see how he's insulting the big man? Akwa weyedi ato force na tem, asidun ketia tem. Julius Debra were tem, the vice president were tem. Or see, who told these things that we are going for an internal election? The NDC is an autocratic party. Omuye dictators. They don't believe in democracy. This foolish guy is telling you, say, they are not ready to go in for any internal election. What Jiminti, he's telling you, say, he don't want even anybody to come and keep and to lead the party. He wants John Mahama to keep on. He don't know, say, what he's saying is even against the constitution of the country. These are confused human beings. Listen to the video carefully.
And again, is the party up for election? Who told all these things that NDC is going to go through election? I don't know, but I'm just saying that what if we don't open the party up for election?
It's a shame.
Because the NDC, we don't know elections. The NDC is a tradition that is founded on consensus building. We are not MPP, and we must not allow what the MPP is doing to go into our head.
Bang, bang, bang.
Is creating suspicion among us. Unam kra na yesi wo ye we nipa. Unam hwa na yesi wo na ubu awe. Me obi di bank obi di sade ne ba me so antokwa abesu nya.
Bang, bang, bang.
Obi di sade ne ba so.
Because I will not allow anybody to align me to short visions. Now there are two clear things that we are doing. We have to satisfy the party people and we have to make sure the president succeeds. Look, it doesn't matter all these people. Anybody who becomes a leader of the party without President Mahama, you lose.
Ajita, enkrofona so mwa so now they are started fighting among themselves. So what in ye pa? The pressure, the distraction, the division, the serious anger, and the serious anger among the NDC leaders is something bigger than what you think. The party is broke. Me, I was saying to me, Papa, maybe Kuma also Michel ye, Anna Richard so Michel. Party na bubu. The principle, the base of the party has gone. It's no more there. So now, what do they want to do? They want to use the power that they have to destabilize the party called MPP so that they can win easily. But it will not work. We will not let it work. Hey, say that me America for brofo. Pepe womanum. It will not work. It will not work because as same way this guy is in what they call. He is, can I say, an official of the party, and when he says something, he actually knows what he's talking about. And talk at them. Now listen to another video of this guy. Listen.
Before, when we felt Rawlings was not necessary, we lost. And those who triggered that, they sit behind and they are pretending they are head, but they are not head. You were the cause. Whether President Mahama is alive or he is not alive today, he contributes significantly to the beauty of this party.
Exactly.
And he, among others,
I mean, I don't dare. You can't take it away from Mahama.
Should be the ones to take certain key decisions. So if I'm a president, deputy director of operation, and I decide that I want to be president, what am I doing to the president? I make the president beautiful.
If you repeat the question,
if I'm the president's deputy director of operations, and I decide that where I sit, I'm capable of being a president, what am I doing to the president? Okay? What am I doing to the president? Because have I discharged the work that the president gave me so well that, and nobody have been, look at President Mahama. President Mahama didn't make himself a president. People went to look for him, right? Go and ask Speaker Bagme how President Mahama became a...
I call person country Ghana phone and I said the NDC is not a democratic party. a matrilineal what they call inheritance. Matrilineal inheritance. Enti NPP for na democratic I ko to abama amanfo to abachire wona dwen. NDC aban mu de. Ye kawa no tum. Tie video no ye na listen to the mindset of the NDC party. Tie video no ye pa. Abusa message like a video na share my comment na subscribe to my channel for me.
Running mate to Professor Mills. Go and ask President Mahama and others how Professor Jenana Opoku-Agyeman became a vice president. Go and ask how we chose the late Parkwesi Amisa. And that should tell you that the tradition of the NDC is not a competitive asset for elections and all this. Obianko should build a war chest to go and run an election. You will fail because that is not our tradition.
What is your name?
Captain Edusu Abeko. Edusu Abeko. Look, there are times that we consider regional balances before we choose a flag bearer. There are times that we consider a lot of many things. It is not within our jurisdiction or our domain to do that. It is within the Council of Elders. And you know what? All these Council of Elders have decided to keep quiet and watch.
No, but because I think it's a huge problem.
To watch. Now we saying. So there's so much fatigue and stress sitting on us. Because Obi Frokra and I will sacrifice to talk about it. If they destroy me, at least the truth. This program will show that a day like this, I sat here and I spoke the truth.
Sorry, you.
And it's not as if anybody can do anything. Nobody means will be our party. I will just say the truth. The only thing you will do is that you won't give me an opportunity. Take.
Tell your chairman, call them, tell the chief of staff.
We have told the general secretary last week. So we need to take certain strong. You see, general secretary started no mudin at him. Our own people set up people to insult him.
Who?
Our own party people, appointees.
To insult who?
General secretary, no guy.
Oh!
No guy. You see, we have individual challenges. You be an your bay no pet. Ask yourself.
So, oh yeah.
And everybody sitting there have their own weakness. Me, I have my own weakness.
God have mercy on
you. So if we don't allow people to function, can the general secretary who led you to this difficult election, can he suddenly be a bad person?
Sure.
Me, I have my differences with my boss. Okay? He doesn't agree with many things that I do. But I do them anyway. Because I give him all the respect that I have to give him.
No, but if this is what is happening now, that ministers are not respecting party leadership, then it's a dangerous thing.
It is, because that's why we need to talk about it now. Because I'm sitting here and talking about it because if I don't talk about it, and
the law.
I am not a victim. I'm a part of the problem.
Sure.
But it is not for me to deal with the problem. It is for the national chairman. It is for the general secretary. It is for other senior functionaries within government to help the president resolve it. And we must talk about it.
You think the president is worried about this?
President Mahama, you can't know what he thinks.
Sure.
That's his strength. I mean, I keep telling you that you will not know how he feels. But he will give you the assurance that I don't want to hurt you. If you exploit such leniency, then it's not right.
Sure.
It's all right. It is not also about who is doing wrong and who is doing right. It's about all of us saying that, but we are yedu no. Him fan yedu. And Crawford I no more call no. Obi e ba fie. And I be more kachiri.
Sure.
What I say? It is for us to ask and so is it right for us to do the things we are doing? When you build war chests, who are you going to fight? Captain, what do you want to war chest for what? Unzoe.
Sure.
Sebi kafache. I mean, what is it? What is it? What is it in all of these that we do to one another? Where people are suspecting, we appointees, some of them are complaining that some people are using their advantages to sabotage them, and in the end, it is the ordinary party person that is suffering. The young
Tatata ajita yatuwase omu. They cannot talk much, but they know that there are things going on. What is Oka? Osim Crofono Mukoye Dedema or Mahama is the whole. They are suffering underground because the NDC leaders are fighting over power. Why who to succeed Mahama? Hey, Ghana for my Muhubio. You have voted for a black and white to replace your colored TV, and that is what NDC is going on today. And the Ghanaians are the people suffering, not the NDC youth alone. Anybody say does doom so because John Jinapo is seriously thinking about how he can support Julius Debra to become the president. He don't care about your light. There goes manum and no. Yeah.
Young man who I have used. Come and see how I was instructing parliamentary candidates and constituency executives do this. People wanted to misbehave because they were not too sure whether when we won, when we win, they will be recognized. We stopped all of them to follow one queue. You win, yeah.
Where you are, Mama?
You are ready. And everybody that gets an opportunity is looking for some friendship or some convenience. I keep saying that you may not like me. President Mahama may not like me. My boss may not like me. It is not for him to like me.
Bang, bang, bang.
It's for him to, take advantage of what I can do and what I cannot do. But when you deal with party people on the basis of, I don't like this one, this one is supporting this, this one is this, the 2016...
This one is supporting this one, supporting wine.
Me, what was that?
Can't somebody be a nina car who do to send me a course.
And yet, young cars now are bonting.
But what's the way support you?
You drew fear. Who say, I'm just telling you, let the party people know, sir, we are familiar with their problems.
And the law.
And we are finding ways to resolve it. It's a legitimate concern. And that each of their complaints is not founded on ill motive or malice. Whatever they are talking about is our responsibility as leadership to deal with it. And I'm speaking because I want them to know that we are very much aware of the problem.
Sure.
MPP is not our yardstick. When we come together to deal with the MPP,
sure,
they will be registering a new political party.
But that is not my concern.
But if we don't do things right, and if we don't bring our party people along, and I keep saying that managing a party is a matter of recognition and mutual respect. Captain, are you branch executive officer? That branch executive can do something that can affect the entire organization.
So
that regional chairman that you feel is not educated, so he doesn't befit your respect, that regional chairman can do something that will undermine this party. One pooling agent compromise is a danger to the NDC. For me, one pooling agent.
Yeah, more 100%.
And we have a duty. I don't need the president to be involved in this. We have structures that can resolve this. And if we don't resolve it, it will get to a time where we'll begin to speak out. I would speak out because I will not let myself, my credibility, be ruined because of somebody's refusal to do the right thing.
Sure.
And anybody who feels that we're not part of making this system to own up and I will exit, go and do it. Say, so I am here.
Party no agu. Party no atitia pro. Party na say nyantoba say Eric. Hey, listen to hey. I want you to listen to their own evil deeds. The Omuanka second, I don't want to add anything to it. And make your decision on it. Now listen to this. Wow.
Supposed to call Musa Dankwa and to tell him that we respect the work he does. But I do not think that as a Deputy General Secretary, he is doing a good to the NDC. Whatever the motivation is, that motivation is not helping the NDC. Because consistently,
Musa Dankwa consistently, oh yeah, Jumadema NDC, and the confusion now to the point to say they are even going after him. But video we made the Chokuba, we will talk about it later. Listen to this video rather.
I checked. The national chairman was saying that he's doing his tour, his thank you tour.
You agree with that?
My opinion has always been that we could have done it together. But the national chairman is doing it because everybody is busy doing something else. That is what he's doing. But I'm saying that irrespective of that, as stakeholders, since we won election, the relationship between the party and government haven't been the best. It is not about jobs. It's not about who gives who job. It's not about who didn't give who job. I'm saying the relationship between the party and the government to ensure that we succeed together have not been the best.
When you say
yes, and the problems and these MPPs, FAC, yeah, after 8 years of governance, and in 1.5 years, they are on that problem. It tells you how unorganized these guys are.
The party, are you referring to the party at the base or party at Adabraka versus
The
Jubilee
party,
House?
no, there's no Adabraka and Jubilee House.
What I mean is at the head office of the national executive.
I am the elected head of the party's administration in terms of deputy. I'm the deputy general secretary. It means that all NDC people trusted that we can manage their affairs. And the arrowhead is the president, who is the leader. The second in command is the national chairman. So in most cases, the national chairman is de facto if the president is not around. We have situations where it switches. The president is the leader of the party. He is also the leader of government. And I'm saying that our relationship as a party and as government have not been the best. It may not have been deliberate, because when we came, there was too much pressure, everybody running here and there. We are doing well. Everybody is praising us for stabilizing the economy, stabilizing this, stabilizing that. But the danger is that we are leaving our party behind. And I'm concerned, as the officer in charge of operation, I am concerned that we have to go back into conclave to assess what we have done so far, what we have not done, so that we correct same and move on. The stakeholdership of the party is so huge. Look, every election cycle, there are people who go home. So we have former national executives, former constituency executives, former regional executives, who are part of the stakeholders of this party. Anytime we win election, a number of people go home. We have former appointees, i.e. former ministers, former MPs, former DCs, who are stakeholders of this party. They are also sitting on the fence. We have current executive structure from the branch to national. We have ministers, we have CEOs. Even though we have ministers, we have CEOs, we have board members who are also stakeholders of this party. There's a need for us to go back into conclave and to sit and assess ourselves. We have elders of the party. We need to run ourselves back to them, because the elders of the party have decided to keep quiet. And that is dangerous for any government and any party.
Does it mean your center is refusing to hold?
It is not refusing to hold. These are normal challenges that any government, any party can go through. I'm just prompting that if we are refusing, when people are quiet, that's when there's a danger. And people, silence, they say it's what? It's good, it's golden.
This is
but
golden.
Silence is the medium through which people perpetrate mischief.
Let me
want to bring everybody back, take responsibility, sit as a party, sit as a government. Let's look at how to move the machineries concurrently and make sure we succeed together.
Yes, enti papa no timu say party na say atete apro. Or see so more stabilize the economy, but people still cannot afford food to eat. I don't know if stabilization of economy is different from the well-being of the people. Me, I know say Ghanaians are suffering, so I don't understand. I don't see how they have stabilized this economy. And what I know, they say, yes, it say. At the end of the say, pra a shasi free na pampum. So if the NDC as a party is rotten, how can they do something good to make Ghana become a better place again? We are lost. We are lost, and we have gone lost for voting for the NDC to come back in power. We must the vibration and a Charlotte or say I was with Mwakwaba yepa. Now and some way papa we nama or kikaimuno. And this neighbor so a friend Erica Jane so about things said that they'll say the guy should shut up. Hey bra, would you tell the Erica Jane so a kind? The fight is serious. Listen.
I think I saw a video. Okay. I'm not paying. Yeah. From Mustafa Gbande. Yeah. Yes, Mustafa Gbande, Deputy General Secretary, I think, for the NDC. Yeah. Now he was making the point, say, or not as a party officer, no. Who is a more appointees ni mubi no as a monomunya position we no mo yi party na sawramo ave mu fi party for ni bio and position by now you are some of you are making new friends outside party for na was a mo shop no legitimate concern from a national officer meboa
the concern no me ni mangla no free but I saw the video man say okay. Send them am say but I saw your appointee
Mustafa. Oh, so only the any appointee. So no
yeah, one of the man.
Oh, a deputy director operations in Jubilee House. Jubilee House.
Multimedia.
No.
It is all your appointee.
Sure.
Or falling under presidential staffers.
Yes.
Some also may
presidential staffers.
Sure. Into meaning in a so be appointee. Into appointees being some no can. Category, but you see, me name in a hypocrite.
Yeah.
Or your appointee. Into if appointees be moon treaty when your account be. Yenya is a casano. When him the nipa form. Do you know what we are doing to some of the party supporters now? Omunim yenin for relationship. If you come out, don't be talking as a saint, like a saint. Me, I hate it when people speak that way. That is my position as a party. I'm also a party officer at the region.
Yeah.
He's also a party officer at the national level. Yama ye nyina akwenya se yensom. Meboa. Nti e toda me mo bi nkasa te say the ono no we more holier than no. Next hand the build the political party. I know na ye nuamu ye bi o ma bre no. Still they are suffering in opposition. See about committee composition. Nti Mustafa, you are my senior, I respect you. Don't incite the party faithful against the government appointees. Yani a shadow donor. But your papa no more former, we won't come and sit here and talk about it. My boss, Sammy Jenfi. Unim do I my party from? Me tea.
Yeah.
Unim de me. And I'm in my lake, new roots. Minia Director General.
National Service. Malaysia, why?
Unim do be my party for. And don't be talking in a way I bet me incite party for and say. As our appointees in the action, a free party, no, we are still holding a very FM.
Now, some way in your national executive, and Yahweh.
I didn't hear
you.
Now, my budgetary allocation, the finance ministry at the moment.
Sure.
And me work plan, I had a medical. Ministry near the account, and I work plan, guys, I'm the Mabandi. He's my party top officer. But America, me politics na me nyanya atwemo. Say unim se Malik na ya ade na nya frɛ no kukuo ne nkasa. Unim se Sami Jemfi na ya ade na nya frɛ no kukuo no ne nkasa. Ba say obegina bonti akasa say wo na ye the best among us. Me dem tell me so make kan wasem. So we are doing our best.
Okay.
Although say obia nyanya de opɛ. But we are trying our best to manage it. Inti yesre no. A thought that political communication done be too emotional. And a thought that I say, oh, count party more somewhere be measured. On the Nubina, Union and another when we are yin healing process committee committee. No, so we are coming there. What am I saying?
Okay.
So we should be measured how they cancel. We are in government now. The government is for the people of Ghana. NDC as a political party belongs to the party. Yeah, registered members. Yeah, they're political party. So, you blend it. I was saying, when you're looking more nationalistic.
Yeah.
So, as a government official, we inside the party for the tier appointees, ministers, and CEOs. Now, what will you gain? Huh? And I come to myself.
Yeah, I guess.
So, you expect me to say, Obi a me buano mani try no hospital but me tini kosi na me yeho announcement. Is that what he's expecting from me? Me other colleagues appointees no, the omoye no, obi amra bonte no meka say de me ye mango. No, me sa na run aban. So you best Mustafa.
Okay.
He's a senior party member. Me share video no man fu na hwe. But the way na okasa no me de mani anyo. Menim se sa na me colleagues appointees ni so wo mani nye den enye hono so ya appointee ye ni nyina enti party for na mutie me no eyeyi a ye ni Mustafa Bandi na ye ni ye anye yi oka ho bi
ayasem agita abusia party na bubu omu bre they are suffering management of power and management of money is the most difficult thing in the world. On some crofo yo mom kwine say power no 2 minutes afro. This is just the beginning of a huge storm on the NDC. Yenyan shasenya entwaba internally. Look at what is happening. That is why I'm always calling the MPP to keep their toes on and maintain consistency. that 2028, the NDC will lose power